The Ztuzauto Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Retrofit Kit is a game-changer for BMW owners looking to enhance their driving experience. With effortless installation, seamless integration, and a host of smart connectivity features, it transforms any BMW into a connected, intelligent, and safe driving companion. Every driver is unique, and the Ztuzauto Retrofit Kit recognizes this with its customizable features. From audio adjustment to separate volume controls for music and navigation, drivers can tailor their in-car experience to suit their preferences. The kit also supports the original car mic and Bluetooth call function, ensuring crystal clear communication at all times. The Ztuzauto Retrofit Kit isn't just about connectivity, it's about smart connectivity. With support for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, drivers can make calls, send and receive messages, and access navigation without taking their hands off the wheel. The kit also supports USB multimedia playback, including lossless audio and high-definition video, ensuring an immersive entertainment experience on the road. One of the most remarkable features of the Ztuzauto Retrofit Kit is its plug-and-play design. Built to seamlessly integrate with BMW models equipped with CCC, SiC, NBT, and Evo systems, installation is a breeze. No cutting or breaking wires is necessary, and there is no need to remove the factory screen. In the ever-evolving landscape of automotive technology, staying connected while on the road has become essential. With the Ztuzauto Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Retrofit Kit compatible with BMW 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 series, X1, X3, X4, X5, X6, Mini, and more, drivers can seamlessly integrate their smartphones into their vehicles, making every journey smarter and safer.